Hello, welcome to Mix Machine Analog. And today, we're going to do analog tape mastering. Gumawa ka na ng kanta, na-mix down mo na master mo na digitally. Pero meron ka pa rin hinahanap na parang may kulang doon sa song mo. And I think analog tape mastering will be the solution. This time, we're going to use the Tegeler Audio Cream, EQ, and VCA compressor unit. Tapos, lalabas yon mapupunta sa MCI tape machine natin, our mastering machine. And then, it will bring back to the RME audio interface to record it back from the tape. We're also going to use RTM, Recording the Masters 911 master tape, so that we have a good headroom and nice tape sound all throughout. This is the raw sound. Okay. Okay, we're testing the response of the tape, listening to it, and then we can do a record back. There. Tapos na, nakapag-record on tape na at naibalik na dito sa DAW. And then, gain match the original file and the tape file, or the tape master file na. And then, let's listen to them back to back.
Someone like me is just like garlic skin, falling apart is just nasty. When it breaks into small pieces, it's just too hard to pick. Is what's inside worth all the cost? Trying to get along with someone like me is just like garlic skin, falling apart is just nasty. When it breaks into small pieces, it's just too hard to pick. Is what's inside worth all the cost?
Alright, without looking at any metering, we can already hear that the tape master is fuller, and at the same time, there's that really rich sound na napasok doon sa loob ng kanta. Yung volume difference, I made sure that we really match the gain to its peak level, which is on negative 0.1. Parehong nasa peak nila yon. So, what imparted in the audio is not volume, it is actually fullness, and also that really nice top end na hinahanap natin dun sa professional sheen, kumbaga kung tawagin. And this will be great for streaming kasi kahit naglagay tayo ng mas full at mas magandang top end, mas konting taas ng top end, hindi siya masakit sa tenga kasi nga dumaan sa analog tape. And I think that's the magic of tape along with analog hardware.